Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to go to Instagram, and here, as we are on our home page, we need to basically share story to Instagram first. So simply swipe to the right, open the camera, and here basically choose whenever you want. So for example, I can take a photo and basically share this photo to my story. So simply click on the send button in the bottom right corner, then share, and then click on done button. And basically now we have our story on Instagram. And how to share it to our WhatsApp status? So simply you need to open your story by clicking it, and here in the bottom you will have a button called share on. You need to click on it, and here you need to choose WhatsApp. So simply here it is, and now it will redirect us to the default WhatsApp, and we can send the story to our status here by clicking send button in the bottom right corner. And basically that is it. That is how we can send our story in WhatsApp status share from Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.